That's going to help you. Ben Fazio. Ben coming through. Ben in the 98 Mitsubishi Eclipse. Trisha Farrow up next in a Lotus. Back to the start. This is the beginning of round 2. All right, gentlemen, let's drop it down. It's like driving on 81 through Carlisle pretty much all day. You're good. Benson and Callum going through. Kevin Schweitzer up next. How does a contest that goes so fast still have a traffic jam? People in the party, hot, hot, hot. People in the party, hot, hot, hot. Logan Pope. Logan Pope coming up. Joseph Fachot. Joseph up next. Joseph through. Gabe is up next. David Ader. Paul gets there. I think we had an elimination. So Kyron up next. It's going to be close for Kyron, but I think this time around he's going to make it through. Austin at the end. Hey. Gonna be close for Austin. Jonathan Randy up next. Is he gonna make it? Is the antenna gonna do it? Oh, he stays in. Give it back up. Still the same round. We just needed to reset the bar. With ease. Ben Fazio next. Ben's gonna make it under. And Trisha up next with the Lotus. That is the last car of this round. We're gonna drop it down 1. Gallo and Benson. Kenneth Schweitzer back around. Joseph Fachot. Gonna be close. We make it. Fachot's gonna make it. I think Gabe's gonna make it too. Kyron Dill. I was pretty close for Kyron last time. We might be seeing elevation. All right, Kyron is out. Give him a round. Now Ben, right behind Jonathan. I think Jonathan's our leader in the clubhouse here to go through the finals. That's going to be close for Ben. Oh, all right, Ben is out. the tag team of Gallo and Benson. Let's take a ball first. Gallo and Benson. They're gonna make it at least this round. Now, Kenneth Schweitzer. Gonna be close for Kenneth, excuse me, and there it goes. All right, so they're out. Joseph Michelle is up next.
Let's fucking go!
And Gabe coming around in the Corvette. So what do we think about Jonathan's chances here? I think he's going to be okay, right?
Oh, he's winning.
Jonathan, I don't know, it's close. Tricia coming through. And we good. Gallo and Benson coming through. Joseph for show.
Let's go!
And Gabe coming back around. Gonna be close for Gabe. Made it through that part, but not that part. Yeah. Jonathan up next. Followed by Tricia. We might be down to our final three here. Okay, I think we're down to our final three, guys. And they did. And I'm not sure it's gonna matter. Oh no! Brian's out. Now Joseph. It's gonna be close for him too. I guess Brian's not necessarily out yet. So Joseph is not advancing. They're
Yes, sir!
oh yeah, you're good. All right. So Tricia, see if Tricia can make it through. I don't think so. Okay, so here's what we got. We have one car that made it through at that height. So I gotta figure out what second and third look like. They were killing it. We got guys out here letting air out of tires. Last time I saw a tire with no air in it was building when you're done. Okay, we're gonna let Brian Benson go under. Let a little air out of the tires. He's gonna clear it. You're good. Okay. Now Joseph. And Joseph nips it and takes it off. Okay, so if Tricia does not make it under, we know that Brian's gonna be second. Tricia can just like somehow lower the suspension a hair. Okay, so Brian's gonna be second. Now we gotta figure out some in-between height so that Tricia is he gonna make it with thumbs? Oh, just made it. All right, Tricia, you made it this far. It's gonna be close. I'm not sure it's gonna make it. All right, Tricia's out. We got our top three.